Hello, today we will guide you through how to create checkout links on Whop business account. To get started, open your Whop dashboard in your browser and make sure you're inside your business account. This is the main area where you manage your business tools, products, and selling options. Once the dashboard has loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to follow the next steps. From the dashboard, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Checkout Links. This section is where Whop lets you manage direct payment links that you can share with customers. These links are useful when you want to send someone straight to a checkout page without having them browse through your full storefront. After you open the Checkout Links section, move to the top right corner of the page and click Create Checkout Link. This will open the setup form for a new checkout link. At this point, you're starting the actual link creation process, so it's a good idea to have the details you need ready before you continue. Now enter the required information and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the form. The exact fields may vary depending on your account setup, but the goal here is to provide all the necessary data accurately. As you go through the form, read each field carefully and make sure the information matches the product, offer, or checkout experience you want customers to see. If there are any optional settings, review them thoughtfully so the final link works the way you expect. Taking an extra moment here can help prevent mistakes and save time later. Once you've finished filling out the form and reviewed everything, click Create Checkout Link. This final step generates your new checkout link and makes it available for use. After it's created, you can usually copy it and share it wherever you need, such as in messages, email campaigns, social media, or sales pages depending on how you plan to reach your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a checkout link in your Whop business account. If anything doesn't look right after creation, simply go back and review the information you entered before sharing the link. A quick final check helps make sure your customers have a smooth checkout experience.